Welcome to Module 7, Creating Interactive and Clickable Content. In this lesson, you will learn how to make your videos more engaging using quizzes, clickable hotspots, and a lot more. We also touch on the cursor effect, among others. So, let's get to business. So, when you come to your Camtasia, you want to use quizzes. Now, there's a portion that when I was recording, I gave a definition for AI. It wasn't a general one. It was something I wanted to use to explain a certain concept. So let me play, and when I reach there. In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT. So let me explain it in a simple way. ChatGPT is like a smart tutor. You type a question and it gives answers instantly. In the video that I was explaining, I gave an explanation. So let me use that one as a question. So according to the video, ChatGPT is. So let me make it fill the blank. That is fill in the blank. Now I'll add my answer. It says smart assistant. That is the answer. Display feedback. So if the person had it correct, what will be the feedback? Correct, then it will be continue. That is the option. Now if it is incorrect, I will say wrong answer. Now let's come back here and you check score quiz. Viewers can see their results. Yes, this is quiz number 1, not 4. So when you finish, the good thing is you can preview it. So let's click on preview and then try it and see if everything is working. So according to the video, ChatGPT is, now let me put in the wrong answer, is AI. Submit answer, you see it is wrong, incorrect. You see the feedback. That is how we put it. So if it was to be the correct one, now let's say smart assistant, you make a spelling mistake, it will tell you it is wrong. Everything must be on point. So it is correct, then continue. So that is how you add quiz to your video to make it more interactive. So now that we finished with adding quiz, let's go to using hotspots. That is inserting URL in your video. Now to do that, just as you go to more, you select it, then let's go to more and let's go to the visual effects. So this is what we are going to use. You click on it and then once you add it, you check it out here, interactive hotspots. We are going to use URL. The URL that we are going to use, I'll use the default TextMate on. Then when they click on it, what should it do? It should open in new browser tab. So we can test this one. Now before you can test this, you must have internet connection, but as it stands now, I've not connected it, but let's test it and see if it will open in a browser. Then it means that if we are connected to the internet, it will definitely open in a web browser. Great. So it means that the work that we did, it is working perfectly well. You realize that it has opened the browser, meaning if we had internet connection, it will definitely go to the Camtasia website. So that is how you make your video more interactive and more professional. Now if you want to export it, just go to export and you select the first option that we selected. Now when you come here, you realize that report quiz results using, remember initially I told you if you use this particular one, then the email of the person, the one that will receive the email and all that, you fill the necessary requirement and then you move on. Say allow viewers to take quiz anonymously. No, require viewers to input their name and email address. So all these are there, and then when you finish, you move on. If you don't want it, you can just leave it and then you select it. So when you include the quiz, That is how you are supposed to go by the settings. Always avoid overloading with too many questions. Make the questions one at a time, and then don't make it too many in your video. If you do that, it will not make the video to be lively. And then the hotspots too that you are putting it should be at a natural breakpoint. You see this particular, I just place it anywhere. But where the video, you realize that the person talking or what they were doing in the video, it has actually paused. Then you can use it. Make sure you test everything that you have put in your video on your timeline, so that when they are watching and they click on it, they will see their scores, or it will take them to wherever you directed them. Great job! You've now added interactivity to your Camtasia videos. Next model, we will look at how you can actually add caption in your video, and then we will wrap it up with the professional or advanced video editing using Camtasia.